2, 3, 4.
Get ready for your wildest backyard adventures.
Boo!
With these favorite Backyardigan titles, available now on DVD.
To the snow fort! Jump! We've got all the rad moves here. Hit it! Oh, we love to play the polka at the Palace in Cheyenne.
So you can dance and sing along with your backyard friends anytime you want.
Check me out!
Check you got some rad moves, the super, super bad, truly mad moves.
Surf the perfect way.
Cowabunga!
Journey through the Ice Age. Party at the Polka Palace.
Darn tootin'.
Dare the Rocky Yukon. Even haunt a creepy old house. Each episode takes you on a one-of-a-kind adventure.
Radical.
Bring the Backyardigans home with these titles, available now on DVD.
Totally.
And be on the lookout for the out-of-this-world adventure Mission to Mars, coming in the fall 2006.
For the first time ever on DVD, the Little Einsteins star in a new premiere movie.
Yay! It's the story of the Firebird. Rocket really loves the Firebird story, don't you, Rocket?
From the hit Playhouse Disney series Little Einsteins comes Rocket's Firebird Rescue.
Let the mission begin!
In this never-before-seen adventure, Rocket needs your help to bring music back to the world.
What a fun song!
Can you help the team on their new musical mission?
Ooh, Siberia, the Kremlin.
I hear music!
Disney's Little Einsteins, Rocket's Firebird Rescue. A never-before-seen DVD premiere.
Nothing can stop us now.
Coming soon to Disney DVD.
What's up? All right, I got like 30 seconds to explain to you how to invest in the stock market.